Oh shoot, we weren't supposed to even be back here. Oh, there's caution tape. Look, there's caution tape right here. We weren't supposed to be back here. Dude, security's gonna come after us now.
Get out here.
Okay, yeah, let's dip. Wait, this way. If you're enjoying my videos, make sure to leave a like, tell your friends about my channel, and subscribe for more Magnacious content.
Jacob! He's staring at me.
Jacob couldn't go on it. Tragedy. It sucks, man. It sucks. Oh, dang. Holy crap, bro. Oh, yeah. Andrew, what are you doing? Holy crap. We're getting some lit pics of this. It's pretty nice. We're just wandering around, doing nothing, you know. That's what vlogs are.
Yeah, but it's moving.
Okay, we're apparently trying to find a raccoon.
I definitely saw it.
I'm sure. So, yeah. How's everyone's day been?
It's been pretty great.
I've actually never been back this far.
Because the last time we came back here was at like 11 at night. It's spookier.
Yeah. Wait, where does this go?
Wait, is this the Lagoon train?
Is this?
Oh, this is spooky. Rattlesnake Rapids is right there. I wonder if it's open.
I don't think this late.
It is in the summertime, and guess what? It's spring.
It's just about summertime.
Almost.
Just about. Oh yeah, hold up. Oh, wait, what's this? What is this?
I'll check it out.
Construction, maybe?
Look, it's new concrete.
Hey. Construction of something, maybe.
Ooh, you should show them beer garden.
Oh yeah, let's go check out Beer Garden.
I'll just go under it.
Oh shoot, we weren't supposed to even be back here.
Oh, well.
Oh, there's caution tape. Look, there's caution tape right here. We weren't supposed to be back here. Dude, security's gonna come after us now. Dude,
I heard something.
what?
I actually heard.
Dude, security's coming.
No, right there.
Where?
And I saw something off in the distance.
A
I
raccoon?
heard something in there. No joke, I legit just heard something in there.
What? Dude, what? This is crazy.
We need to get out here.
Okay, yeah, let's dip. Wait, this way. Yeah, take a pic. Dude, we found another raccoon. I'm not surprised. We're like, there's like a freaking wood right here. We in the woods, boys. What? There's a raccoon? They ran all the way down there? Dude, this is epic.
I heard something behind me. We should probably...
Yeah, let's get out of here, guys.
This way. No, this way.
What?
There's no pathway over there.
Yes, there is. Adventure.
Eat it.
What the heck?
Don't.
Look, there's like no...
Wait, he's actually gonna eat it.
No. Andrew! What are you doing? No, come on, man. Come here, boy.
Oh, I'm scared that the raccoon is gonna pass.
Actually, there's some stuff. We shouldn't be climbing on tables.
Yeah. Okay, I was never aware of how many
Yeah, dude, there's a ton of pavilions here that are just not being used. Like, this is a terrible waste of space. Or a good waste of space.
Like cupcake. They're taking out some of the parking space to make their newest roller coaster.
Yeah, like they're cutting parking, but they still have like, how many? There's at least like 15
Probably
pavilions
like
back
half the
here.
park.
Like half the park is just pavilions. It's crazy. It's raining actually pretty hard all of a sudden. Okay, we're going to Pioneer Village. Okay, we're going to go get ice cream. Quick!
Are we not going
Freaking run!
We are.
Yes, we are.
Did you see the lightning?
Yeah, bro.
Get in! Oh, it's so sad.
The peacocks. No.
Keep running, don't stop.
Oh,
They're fighting village.
we're in. Very quick, get inside the. Wait, let's go to the jail.
Just the nearest place for company.
Quick,
Places.
quick.
Getting away from the rain. Anywhere.
Where at? Let's go to the jail. Oh.
Where'd they go?
Dude, it is dark. Oh, this is scary, bro. Dude, this is actually scary. Bro. Bro,
It's haunted!
Who shut that? Bro,
No, I just shut!
Bro, you locked us in? No, there's no escape. Okay. We're going out.
Whoa! We gotta go from house to house.
It is a downpour, man. Holy crap.
Or was something.
Yeah, dude, now it's like I'm actually wet. This is insane.
No, but I thought water was dry. Okay?
The gunsmith. Oh no, this ain't the gunsmith.
It's town hall.
This is town hall. Dang, I just love town hall, don't y'all? Okay, it is a downpour. Dude, it's crazy, but there's some good pics out here. So we're getting kicked out of Pioneer Village because apparently they're closed. I didn't know that, so we have to go back to the main.
They should put a sign on the other end of the park.
Yeah, come on, like
bet that
so.
it's just here.
Yeah, so we have to go to the main part.
I'm gonna go get some drink.
Okay. So yeah, we'll be back with you guys. Hopefully back in the mainland. As soon as it started raining, everyone left. That's crazy, bro. It's looking a bit colorful. That's nice. Whoa. I know. Beer garden.
The covering that says Lagoon Beer Garden is gone.
Hey.
See? Look at this. Look at over there.
Dude, there is like lightning everywhere, bro. This is insane.
Well-
Dude, there's no line. Dude, there's no one here, bro. Holy frickin' heck, it is so wet. We just went on Wicked. Oh my gosh, that hurt so bad.
That was awesome.
We're going on Colossus next, everyone. All right, so we're leaving. It stopped raining. It was pretty good. How did you enjoy it?
It was pretty nice night.
Yeah. How did you like it? Excellent.